Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I will show you how to edit hair like a pro in Photoshop. Whether you want to remove hair flyaway or you want to make a fuller hair. In this video, I got you covered. So if you're interested in learning how to do this, watch to the end of this video. This is before. So this is how it is after color grading and then imported. This is the edited hair. So in this video I will show you guys how to move from this to this. So firstly, the number one thing I do is that I have to do frequency separation on the hair. Yeah, it's funny, but then I do small frequency separation on the hair to make the hair look smoother. Yeah, but the first thing I do first is I have to use spot healing brush to remove some strands of hair that will be difficult to remove. So I'm showing you guys my techniques, how I remove hair and fix hair during editing. So like this hair here, I have to use spot healing brush to remove this. After I'm done removing with very feasible one, the one I feel like will be difficult. Yeah, so after I just remove the big feasible one, like here, I just touch this place more, just more. Yeah, then I run a frequency separation. So this image I use Retouching Academy custom. I use 2, radius 2, then 2, that's what I do. Then I go to low frequency. You know how to do frequency separation now. If you don't know how to do frequency separation, I had a video where we did a detailed explanation. So you just subtle brushing. It's not, you don't brush it too much because yeah. So this is before, after. You see, just very subtle brushing. The next thing you will do is create a new layer, then you change the blending mode to lighten, then use your clone stamp to come to the sample. I switch to all layers. Then you come here, zoom in very well, and start pick and replace. So I don't know if you are seeing what I'm doing. So this thing you have to zoom in very well if you want to really get it to look very seamless and nice. So this is how I do. I remove all these hair flyaways in pictures, and this is how most of the photographers do it too. So this is how I remove this. Then I come here too, and I still zoom in and remove this part. This you need to mark is that you have to reduce the size of this brush so it will give you a very neat job, very seamless neat job. Yes. So after this, I don't know, see this thing remove, then you come here and create a new layer, another new layer. Change the blending mode to darken. Then when you change the blending mode to darken, see some of these hairs here that is in the window, you can remove this guy, but you have to reduce the opacity very low. See these guys, all these color strengths of hair that is not making sense, that making your job look rough and all. You just still use the same clone stamp tool to remove, but I don't just try to remove all of them. I just remove very conspicuous ones that is spoiling the look, create a fuller hair. So this is how I do it. So you know it's clone stamp tool, you pick and replace. You know how clone stamp tool works. So you can watch our video where we talked about frequency separation and all. This one will be very minimal because normally you still make it in a way that it will look rare. Yeah, it will be rare, not even look rare. Yes, it have to be rare so that people will not even know what transpired. It's have a fuller hair and so. So that's easy to, like, some of these strands of hair now can just like extend this and remove it. So this is before, after. So you can just group both of them, Command G, then rename it hair. Yeah, then you group it before, after, before, after. You can even do dodge and burn on this. If you are doing hair shoots like for a brand or a company, yeah, and there's so much emphasis on the hair, you can equally do dodge and burn on the hair. Just dodge the light part and burn the dark part. But then this is not a hair shoot, so if you don't know how to do, you can watch our previous video to see how to do dodge and burn and do frequency separation. So this is before. You see, I didn't even like fill up here in this video because I still want it to be real, to look real and all. Again, so this is the one I sent to the client. Okay, so if you have any question or something you don't understand in this video, feel free to write your question in the comment section, and equally you can watch our videos on how to do frequency separation, cleaning the eye, yeah, and dodge and burn. So we have a video where we explain this. Thank you, like and share. Peace out.